boys and girls, we are going to work on our sight word me and the sight word see. All right, let's start with me. First, we're going to spell the kindergarten word, me, M-E. Now, we're going to read each one, me, me, me. Now, we need to fill in the blank. What letter comes before the E? The M. So let's make an M. M-E, M-E. Wonderful. Now we get to color in me, me. So do your best. Stay in the lines. Wonderful. Yep, and color both of those in. Then you're going to write it in the boxes. Me, me. Wonderful. Now we have to read each circle, and every time we read it, we get to color it. Me. So we're going to color it in. Me. Me. Okay. Now we get to trace that word me. Trace. M-E. Stay in the lines. M-E. Can you think of a sentence with the kindergarten word me? I like to play with me. Or, will you play with me? Those are both sentences. All right, now we're going to turn it over and we're going to do the kindergarten word see. Okay, let's spell it. S-E-E. Now let's read it. See, see, see. Good job. We're missing a letter. Which letter are we missing to make the word see? S. So make your S. Make your S. All right. Now we're going to read it and then color it. See, see. So I'm going to get out my crayon and color it. Okay, I would color both of them. I'm just going to color one, but you can color both. Take your time and do your best work. All right, then after I've colored both of them, then we're going to write the word see 2 times. S-E-E. S-E-E. See. Okay? Then every time we read it, we're going to color. Okay? Every time we read the sight word in the circle, we're going to color. See. 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 Good job. Take your time and don't be messy. All right, now we get to trace the sight word see and see. S-E-E. S-E-E. Can you think of a sentence with the word see? I see the brown dog. Yes, good job, boys and girls. Make sure when you finish, you take a picture and you post it on Seesaw so I can see your work. Have a great day, boys and girls.